Now coming to S1. S1 is heard due to closure of the AV valves. The intensity of S1 depends on the position of the mitral valve at the onset of ventricular systole. Mitral reflex at a greater distance than normal, then S1 is loud. Mitral reflex at a lesser distance than normal, then S1 is soft. Now the rate of rise of left ventricular pressure also determines the type of S1. A low rate of rise of pressure will cause a soft S1, where a sudden high rate of rise of S1 will cause a loud S1. Presence or absence of structural disease of mitral valve. Now calcification of mitral valve and defective closure in mitral regurgitation all will cause soft S1. Amount of tissue, air or fluid between heart and stethoscope like pericardial effusion, obesity and emphysema will cause a soft S1. So these are all the causes of a soft S1 and a loud S1. Thank you.